Okay, welcome everyone. It's Kevin LaRocca here with Binary Pro Strategies. Today is Tuesday and it is October 30th of 2018, and this is going to be a recap of all the trades that I made live in chat today with my subscribers. Also, I want to mention that these trades do include two strategies that I do teach. One is called the core strategy and the other one is a nibble strategy. The core strategy is designed to trade the higher volatility first thing in the morning. It's also designed to hit a first trade that's profitable. I take no more than 3 trades on the nibble in the morning. If the first one's not profitable, I will take a second trade. If that's profitable, I will trade a third. If the first 2 are not profitable, then I'm done with the core and I move over to the nibble. The nibble strategy is something that I use quite a bit. That is designed to trade in any market conditions, particularly when the market doesn't have the high volatility that I like to see for the core strategy, so I move over to the nibble. But once again, the nibble strategy can be traded any time. And the core strategy is really best first thing in the morning, later in the afternoon, or I should say later in the evening after 7 p.m. So anyway, let me show you the first trade of the day. Once again, it is a once and done. This is designed to make, after commissions, $50 per contract. Right now I'm only putting on a single contract on the core strategy, so I'm looking to sell it at least 52 and higher and buy it at least 48 and lower. Today when I entered the trade, and I'm going to show you this on a 5-minute chart, I actually got a little bit better than 52 because it's actually rallying by the time that I put the trade on. But this is a 5-minute chart of the excuse me, of the pound USD. This is a 1 minute. This shows the exact minute of entry on this trade. Once again, I only carry my trades for 5 minutes. I am trading 5-minute binaries. You can see that it was rallying, and that's how I ended up actually getting a better fill than 52. Was able to sell for 56.75, and 2 minutes later, about 3 minutes later, it went in the money and turned out to be a profitable trade. That's what I call once and done. The rest of the day, I focused on the nibble strategy. The market had a decent EOM this morning, but it was kind of erratic throughout the day. But nonetheless, overall, ended up having a really nice day, finishing out at 771.25. These are my results between the hours of 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Central Time. So everything you're seeing here doesn't include any personal night trading I do, or any trading prior to 8 o'clock. I do a little bit of personal trading as well during off hours. These results are strictly for what for all the trades that I make live in chat for my subscribers. But anyhow, that's it. Tomorrow's going to be Wednesday. Once again, I think we're going to have a really good week this week. Still didn't see really good consistent EOM today, so I'm expecting it to come in within the next 2 days, which means I should have some really awesome days, and the trading is a lot easier when the EOM is high. So nonetheless, that's it. If you'd like to learn more about how I trade, I do offer a free fundamental video that goes over the fundamentals of the core strategy. It doesn't get into the nibble strategy, but it does get into the core strategy. You can kind of see my philosophy and kind of how I look at the markets and how I trade it. So nonetheless, hang tight to the end of this video. You can get your hands on that for free. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Give me any comments. I do try to get to my comments as soon as I have some available time, so always feel free to leave me a comment. Anyway, that's it, and I will see you at the next recap, which is going to be Wednesday night sometime after 5 p.m. Thanks. Okay, so here we are. So as I mentioned earlier, if you are interested in getting the free fundamental video, which I am going to offer free of charge right now for a limited time, all you have to do is just go to binaryprostrategies.com. You're going to get a little pop-up, fill out the information, and what I'll do is I will send you a link. It's actually a link to a private Facebook page where you have access. That's where you're going to be able to see the fundamental video, but you're also going to be able to look at my prior trades because I do post them daily. And all these trades are the trades that I demonstrate live in front of my students as I share my charts and I make my trades, and I explain and demonstrate to you exactly why I'm making a particular trade, what the particular setup is, and so forth. So it's very educational, but nonetheless, nothing's held back in that fundamentals videos. That is the core strategy that I use to make all the trades that you saw today. And I'm sure that just taking that video and applying the methods that you see there, it's greatly going to improve your trading. But if you do want to go more in depth and really fine tune it, I do offer a service. It's a monthly service where you would then have access to all my other training videos where I go a lot more into detail on each aspect of the core strategy. And of course, I also give additional what I call actionable trade ideas, where there are certain patterns that are not actually in the fundamental video that you can certainly take advantage of, and they're pretty powerful in terms of making money. So nonetheless, that's it. Please come back, and I will have another video tomorrow, and where I'll also share my trades. And once again, if you decide that you do want to join us, what you could do is you could just go ahead and in the Binary Pro Strategies, there's a place where you can go ahead and send me an email if you'd like, and or always feel free to give me a call at 469-554-0850. Be glad to answer all your questions. My goal here is to, I've been doing this for 35 years, so my goal here is to help other traders finally see how to truly make money in the markets. And I believe you can, you have a tremendous advantage by using Nadex binary options. So that's it. I wish you the best of success, and hopefully you'll be back tomorrow for my next, where I go over all my trades for that particular day. Take care.